Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Nikki and I'm here today with my soursop. Yes, I'll be making soursop juice for you. Simple and easy recipe. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. So as you see, I'm just washing my soursop here. I'm gonna go ahead and put piece of ginger in it as well, to give it a look, a nice flavor. So here I'm just peeling off the skin. So you just want to peel off the skin to get off all of that so you can start juicing this fruit. So I'm gonna also list some benefits of soursop to you guys, okay? So this is the middle part that you want to take out. It's the heart or the stem of the soursop. Usually back in the days I used to hear they say if like you're younger and you're having bladder issues and you can't keep your pee at night, you can eat that and it will help you with it. I'm not sure, but I will tell you some other benefits. I'm just adding my water now and I'm going to go ahead and juice it to get all the nice juice out of it to make my drink today. All right, so some of the benefits of soursop is that it's high in vitamin C. It is an antioxidant known to boost immune health. The vitamins strengthen your immune system, improving its ability to defend against pathogens. It also helps to promote the destruction of free radicals. It can help to protect your skin and cells from environmental damage. So soursop is really good. So here I am just chopping up my piece of ginger to put in it, to boost the flavor and the taste of it. Not too much ginger to overpower the taste of the soursop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that ginger to my blender and just add a glass of the soursop that I've already juiced, that is not sweetened as yet, and then I'll blend it to get the flavor of the ginger out of it into the juice. Sorry. So here I am going in to sweeten my juice now, and this is what I'm going to use to sweeten my juice. So instead of using lime juice and sugar, I just go ahead and use the tang to the amount of juice I have, and then I just go ahead and stir that around, get the nice flavor of the lemon and also the sweetening of the sugar that is in it. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking now, all sweetened and poured in my jugs. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour me myself a glass with some ice. Get that very cool and refreshing, simple and easy drink you can make for yourself or your kids now, seeing that it's summer. Also you can sweeten it using condensed milk. Some person use it and have it as a punch. I don't really like the taste of it with the milk. I actually prefer it with the lime and ginger. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.